Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at natural gas on the daily and weekly time frame. Congratulations to the bulls. Bullish reaction to the inventory report. Nice increase in bullish volume the past few days, and getting above 265 was the key level. So we now have middle Bollinger Band and 50-day moving average resistance at 270 and 272. We'll be watching those levels tomorrow. We rejected from just below 270 psychological resistance today. Weekly time frame is at the 100-week resistance of 269. That's a very key level tomorrow as well. If we cannot get above that by tomorrow, it will be a back test and rejection of key previous support, now resistance, and that will be a victory for the bears in my opinion. So the 5-minute chart had a very clear, very easy bullish break for natural gas today. And even if you didn't play the inventory report, you waited for things to settle down, we hit the high of the inventory report reaction at 2672, and then we pulled back tested that key 265 support, played around it for a while, and then regained it. So I posted on Stocktwits this was a potential cup and handle pattern, where there's your cup, the inability to break the left side. We topped out at 267 rather than 2672. Then you have your handle of consolidation, but that didn't end up getting that clear bull break that usually follows. You usually see a breakout right there. So it took a little time to draw out. Tightening range formed, but we had multiple tops at 2672, and you could have an order filled out for UNG or UGAS, whatever you want to play. And once you see that rejection multiple times, you fill out your order, and the second that resistance level breaks, the second you see 2673 printed, you hit enter and get into the trade. And on that break, over the next 30 minutes, we saw a move up to 2698 from 2672, so about a 2.5 cents gain to be had there. And that doesn't seem like much, but if you look at 3 times ETF like UGAS, so here's where that break occurred. For you guys, it was a clear break of resistance at 33.51. So once 33.51 broke, we had a move up to 34.43. So that's essentially 90 cents, essentially 2.5% in a half an hour. Really nice gains to be had on a clear, easy break of resistance. So from that point, we consolidated a bit on the hourly. And let's zoom in here. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. All kinds of crazy lines. But it's normal, healthy consolidation at this point. The red flag will be if we lose 265 as support. If you are a bull and 265 is lost as support, you are questioning, well, you want to be out. And I would be out if that were the case. So a stop loss level below that point, whatever you're playing correlates with 265. And you can see, you can look back here at this 5-minute again, where the price was playing around that 265 level. The lowest point we dropped to was 2646, and that occurred at 10:35 a.m. Eastern. So whatever you're playing, UWTI, UNG, you can correlate what was the low of that stock or ETF at that point in time, and then place your stop loss just below that. So if tomorrow we break that key level, you would exit that trade. So that's what we're looking at for natural gas. We'll see what kind of follow through the bulls have tomorrow, and we'll see if they are able to break that key 100-week resistance. And right now, didn't even mean to pull this up, but it's looking like a potential head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern with the neckline right here at 2662, 2662. So that is a neckline double bottom. And if we break 2662, that's your early red flag of a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern here on the 5-minute chart. So interesting, that just stood out to me. We'll see if we pull back to that level overnight. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.